In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord hearing game audio. First thing you're going to do, open Discord, click on settings, and here scroll all the way down and you're going to see voice and video. Here, make sure you select your microphone. So if you have your microphone plugged in, select it through here. And this is just the speaker, so if you have a speaker, select it through here. And here is the microphone volume. Make sure this is set to 100%. And the speaker like to whatever you would like to set it. Here is where you can test your mic, and down here is the input profile. So I'm not sure what this is really, but this is what the settings that I have, and they perfectly works for me. So here is basically the noise suppression, and there's some other settings here. But for now, like if you just have the same settings as me here, then you should be all good, and you should be having your microphone working perfectly just when you like set the microphone through here. And after you do this, this will fix your issue.